Ah, thank God, oh. See how God don't bless me with this bread. Hey, so that means today they don't forget this bread. And I will try chopper. Make I even look at the bread. Where's the front of the bread? Where's the mouth of the bread? Then look for the knot because I was starting to it from the mouth. Okay, that's so God to give there somebody. God, I thank you. Make I got this as some vagal futures because this bread it took deep for me to chop. How would you put this thing for Benin or the more hand on my mouth? I caught now my hand, what I would fear down my mouth was now my mouth at this time. Like it's trouble. God, thank you. So, what is it doing it to? Thank God. Every time I don't get that. I don't sleep. It says Shito. It's Shito. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like. Make sure you share. Make sure you follow so that this bread goes to you. Thank you.